people must have heard about the OTT regulation episode that's going on, going for the past few weeks. So, what is your take? Whether government should regulate OTT platforms or it should leave the way it is?
I think for the OTT platform, it can be regulated through that thing that it is 18 plus content or something like that. And if you are going to subscribe for Netflix or Amazon Prime or any OTT subscription, that has an age regulation.
The government should take the authority, but as well as the companies also should have a freedom to, launch whatever the shows or whatever they're doing. Because on what I think on the regular TV shows, you really don't get to see like all of the, let's say the sex education sort of, topic. But these platforms actually covering all of those type of shows and like at least being aware of what the general folks need. So
I believe that the glorification of abusive words and obscene scenes might be a bit too uncultural for the next generation. I mean, of course, it's fine to be forward and it's fine to be okay with all these scenes and all the content. I mean, I do not mean that we should cut off everything, but I feel that there must be certain restrictions on what is being portrayed.
I think it should have been regulated before. Continue making the way they are doing, like it's our perceptions, right? Like what we can have, like what we can want to hear. So it's totally up to you, like if you want to watch it or not. So I don't think it's a general thing, like we shouldn't like do anything like
that. OTT platform should not be regulated because as it is, there is a lot of restriction on freedom of speech and expression in India. And on top of this, any additional censorship on OTT platform will really end up stifling the voice of the young people, and it will crush the rebellion or revolution or stance of protest against the government which comes via art and these kind of from these platforms. I don't think it should be regulated.
गवर्नमेंट कुछ कर रहे हैं और आप दिखा रहे कुछ, दैट इज़ वेरी रॉन्ग. यहाँ प्राइम मिनिस्टर जिंदा है, आप प्राइम मिनिस्टर को मार दे रहे हो, ये तो कोई सीन नहीं है. शो समथिंग रेलिवेंट कि हमें भी कुछ देखने से सीखने को मिले.
it is all about expression. So and I think that the things shown are all like valuable. Nothing crosses the limit. So I think there should not be any limitation of
This particular question, liberty of expression, a lot of people are saying that you should be having liberty when it comes to art.
Because I mean, liberty does not necessarily implies always using abusive words or portraying obscene scenes. That doesn't mean liberty.
ये सब चीज़ तो डायरेक्टर पे डिपेंड करता है, वो क्यों डायरेक्ट करते हैं ऐसा मूवी की. हमेशा हिंदुइज्म की आना चाहिए, मुस्लिम है, क्रिश्चियन है.
नहीं, एक्चुअली हिंदूज़ को टारगेट किया जाता है, मतलब हिंदू गॉड्स को हर जगह पे टारगेट किया जाता है. लेकिन हाँ, ये अगर करनी है तो हर रिलीजन के ऊपर होना चाहिए.
Actually, I quite disagree on this point because I think this is the type of agenda which is trying to be promoted. In fact, I do not think that this is the case in India because there are ills or like social media platform has given stage to both sides. So while there are ills and criticisms of each religion is brought forth to light instead of tolerance, and unity between religions aren't portrayed as much as ills of each religion.
what they're doing is to bring the awareness of how the societies are nowadays. So I don't think any government should take any place.